Hello everyone, welcome to the new video today. I have a special news to share with all parents and siblings to watch. In this video, I want to talk about the price of Honda Dream 2022 motorcycle sold in Cambodia today, October 13, 2022. Motorcycle price at Honda Pin 1 Motorcycle Shop, Masi District, Batam Bang Province. Its price today $1,990. I would also like to confirm that the price of this motorcycle can vary. According to the odds, this price is only for the 13th day. If the price goes down tomorrow or not, I will release the next video.